Hello everyone, my name is Saif Pinjwani and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of STEMEncounters, a 501c3 nonprofit which strives to fill, expand, and broaden gaps through all areas in STEM, robotics, hazard use, and even new aspects of STEM like material science and engineering.
My name is Shaz, and I'm the Chief Operations Officer of STEMEncounters.
Hi, my name is Azam Lalani and I'm the Chief Content Officer at STEMEncounters.
My name is Jashwin Prasadi and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer here at STEMencounters.
My name is Ria Singh and I'm the Chief Financial Officer of STEMencounters. Our mission is derived from our belief that we should be spreading a love for STEM, making information and resources accessible to everyone, and allowing the world to learn and converse.
STEMencounters provides a wide array of resources ranging from blog posts where you can read about various research topics in the field of STEM to online courses where we teach students about popular software such as Java, Arduino, CAD, as well as material science and engineering, and a podcast called STEM Talk with STEMencounters where listeners can dive into MSc topics.
As we continue to grow, we are starting our next new initiative, STEMKits. These kits will be filled with a multitude of STEM-related supplies for under-resourced children across the country.
All of these kits will include Arduino kits, VEX robot parts, STEM building books, coding board kits, circuit building projects, model rocket kits, and other STEM-related items.
We rely on mobile technology and creative content. However, the added pressures of the COVID-19 pandemic only exemplifies the importance of accommodating our audience to create a seamless learning environment, and our online curriculum are a testament to that. We have seen many students unable to return to school due to COVID, and their online schooling has not been able to offer the same experiences they would traditionally have.
With these STEM kits, we aim to enable children to explore STEM from the safety and comfort of their homes. However, we can only create and distribute our STEM kits with donations from people like you. By donating to STEMencounters, you will be ensuring that we fulfill our mission of spreading STEM to anyone, anywhere.
We hope to make this a year of helping those in need. Our mission is to help all children pursue and explore their STEM dreams, and this is how STEMencounters will help those in need this year.
I hope all of you understand the magnitude of a donation to STEMencounters. Every donation, no matter the size, makes a difference. Help us today by clicking the link below and donating.